Color of transition metal ions. The color of transition metal ion is primarily due to the presence of unpaired d electrons. These d electrons, unpaired d electrons, can undergo transition from lower energy diatomic orbital to higher energy diatomic orbital when light falls on them. This transition of electron from lower energy orbital to higher energy d orbital is called dd transition. Under the influence of ligands, we learned the diatomic orbitals are splitted into different sets having different energy. For example, octahedral complexes, when ligands approach a metal ion in an octahedral crystal field, we know lower energy orbital there are 3 which are called T2G. Higher energy orbitals there are 2 named EG. EG have higher energy, T2G have lower energy. So this T2G electron, unpaired electrons present in the T2G, when light falls on them, these lower energy d electron can excited to higher energy d atomic orbital, means EG level. This transition of electron from lower d orbital to higher d, from d to d, is called dd transition. So the color of transition metal ion is due to the presence of unpaired d electron and due to dd transition under the influence of ligands. Most of the transition metal ions are colored. If there is no unpaired electron, those ions will be colorless. For example, scandium 3+. Scandium 3+, we know the configuration 3d0. No d electron. So no dd transition, no color. Titanium +4, also same 3d0 configuration. Zinc 2+. Zinc 2+ contain all the d electrons paired and hence 3d10 configuration. All the d electrons are paired, no unpaired d electron, hence these 3 are colorless. No unpaired d electron, no color. No dd transition, no color. All the other species are colored, and the color shown by a complex, color shown by a transition metal ion, depends on nature of the ligand. It also depends on nature of the metal ion or charge on the metal ion. Depending upon the nature of the ligand, the energy of absorption needed to excite the electron from lower T2G to higher EG level will be different. So the color depends on the amount of energy or the frequency of the light absorbed and the frequency of the light emitted. Normally when white light falls on a substance, on a transition metal ion, the electron, the unpaired electron absorbs some color corresponding to the wavelength in visible region is absorbed, and the color shown by the substance will be the complementary color of the color absorbed. It would absorb one color, the remaining colors it would emit. So the color shown by the substance will be the color which is formed from the remaining colors, the resultant of the colors emitted from the substance. That is the color complementary to the color absorbed. And the color shown by different metal ion will be different, because this energy difference between the diatomic orbital depends on nature of the ligand and also the charge on the metal ion. For example, manganese 2+ ion. Manganese 2+ ion is pink in color in water as the ligand molecule. Manganese 3+ ion, in which manganese carry 3 positive charge, this is violet in color. So depending upon the charge on the metal ion, the color will be different. And the color of vanadium, chromium 2+. Chromium 2+ is blue. So the color of different metal ions will be different depending upon the nature of the ligand and also due to the charge on the metal ion. So the color depends on the frequency of the radiation absorbed and the frequency of radiation emitted from the metal ion.